Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I want to share with you my delicious main dish, potato boat recipe. It will decorate your tables with its exquisite taste and wonderful visual. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon in order to be informed about my new recipes. I am waiting for your likes and comments. Let's peel 7 large potatoes, then divide them in half. Let's carve the inside of our potatoes with a dessert spoon, as you can see in the video. Let's carve this way and prepare all our potatoes. Then take 2-3 tablespoons of oil into a bowl. Let's grease both sides of our potatoes with a brush and put them in an oiled tray. Then, let's put them in the oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes until they are lightly browned. While our potatoes are in the oven, let's prepare our filling. I took 2-3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Let's add a tablespoon of butter and melt it. Then, chop 1 medium-sized onion and add it, and roast our onion for a few minutes. After the onion turns slightly pink, chop half a kilogram of chicken tenderloin into small cubes and add it. Let's fry it by stirring it for a few minutes over high fire. See, after a while, the chicken releases its own juice. Let's continue roasting until it completely absorbs the juice it has released. Then, let's add 1 small-sized red capia pepper that we cut into small cubes and 2 pieces of green pepper. Let's keep roasting for a few more minutes. Then, add 5-6 mushrooms that we cut into small cubes. Let's continue roasting with mushrooms for a few minutes. Then, peel 2-3 cloves of chopped garlic and peel 2 medium-sized tomatoes, cut them into small cubes and add them. Now I am adding 1 dessertspoon of tomato paste. Let's add 1 teaspoon of each thyme, cumin, black pepper, chili pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's close the lid of our pan by mixing it well and cook it on low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our inner mortar is ready. Let's take it from the stove. At the same time, take our fried potatoes from oven in 15 minutes. Look, as you can see, both sides of the potatoes are slightly blushed. Let's place them in a rectangular Pyrex, or you can place in a tray. Then, let's share our inner mortar equally between the potatoes. For the sauce of our meal, take a tablespoon of tomato paste in a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of hot water and mix. Let's pour it over the edge of the Pyrex. Then, let's bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. Take it out from the oven later. Now, sprinkle a pinch of grated cheddar cheese on each potato. Let's put our dish back in the oven. We are gonna bake it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 more minutes until the cheddar cheese melts and turns slightly browned. Our potato boats with chicken came out of the oven and are ready to be served. You can serve it with rice. Look, as you can see in the video, it was cooked very well. And since we didn't fry the potatoes in oil, it turned out very light and very tasty. I hope you will try and like it too. To be informed about my new recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.